Everyone is talking about ChatGPT and Claude, but there is one Gemini feature that most people are completely sleeping on, and it can quietly become one of the most powerful productivity tools in your business. I'm talking about Gemini Canvas. Now, when most people see Canvas, they think, okay, it's just a writing area next to the chat. But that's the mistake. Because with the right prompts, Gemini Canvas can build interactive dashboards. It can analyze business data. It can create polished PDFs. It can turn documents into shareable web pages. It can even simulate your path toward a financial goal. All from simple instructions. And the best part is, these are not random AI tricks, the kind that look cool for 5 minutes and then never get used again. These are practical workflows you can actually plug into your business this week to save time, make better decisions, and produce professional work faster. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 highly practical Gemini Canvas use cases. Ones that can turn Gemini from a simple chatbot into a real business production tool. Before we jump into the video, I spent a lot of time researching and figuring out these workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start with a major business challenge: keeping up with industry news without spending hours scrolling through feeds. We are going to build a custom Canvas app that automates news gathering and renders everything into a gorgeous visual dashboard. To set this up, go to the left menu on your Gemini homepage and click on Gem Manager. Then select New Gem. Give your gem a name like News Hub. In the Custom Instructions section, we need to instruct the AI to build a structured pipeline. I have this instruction. You will find the link to this instruction in the video description. I will copy it. I will paste in here. This instruction defined 3 specific trigger commands. To ensure the AI doesn't hallucinate and mix in articles from several years ago, I have written a strict 3-tiered defense directly into the system instructions. Go to the end of the instruction. Here you can write down the subject. I have AI here. It will only search for news about AI. You can change it to anything you wish. Then you can write down a few of your favorite news sources. Gemini will pay extra attention to these sources. You can also remove this line if you want. That's all you have to change. Make sure you have Canvas selected. Then save the gem. Now open your newly created gem. Select Pro. Type the command latest. You will see Gemini execute the search queries, filter the dates, and open the Canvas workspace on the right side of your screen. Instead of a bulleted text list, Canvas will compile the news into a clean directory of visual cards built with React and Tailwind. You can also click on individual cards to open detailed summaries. You can filter the articles by category. Use Case 2, Analyzing Data with Canvas. If you work with data regularly, you know the pain. I use Excel, spreadsheets, Looker Studio, other BI tools, and I always run into the same trade-off. You get the structure, but you still have to do the analysis yourself. With plain AI, you get the opposite problem. There's a gotcha element where the output format changes every time. It comes back as text or images, so narrowing down periods and categories is a hassle. And aggregating large data sets, often unreliable, sometimes flat out hallucinated. We can solve this by using Gemini Canvas to build a custom data analysis web application. Go back to the Gem Manager and create a new gem called Data Analyzer. In the custom instructions, we will paste our special instruction. I have this instruction. You will find the link to this instruction in the video description. I will copy it. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. I will paste here. In short, what this does is it tells the AI to act as a data scientist that visualizes complex data using interactive UI components. We need to add another file. Download this text file. Then upload here. Be sure to select Canvas in the default tool settings. Click Save. Open your Data Analyzer gem. Drag and drop your raw CSV file directly into the prompt box. Add a prompt like, "Analyze this data and create an interactive executive dashboard showing key trends and metrics." Make sure you are running this on Gemini Pro to handle the analytical heavy lifting. Then press Enter. Gemini will analyze the file and tell you what kind of visualization it will create. This will only happen the first time. Check if everything looks okay. Next time you want to analyze a file, it will do these visualizations. I will say, "Okay." Okay, now our data analysis app is ready. I will upload our data once again to this app. Give it a few seconds. Our analysis is ready. Look how beautiful and thorough it is. A full interactive dashboard built from a raw CSV in one shot. You will see interactive elements like drop-down filters, regional performance toggles, and metric cards. You can download this report as a PDF or JSON file and share it with others. At the bottom, if you click this button, Gemini will analyze the dashboard and give you its thoughts and opinions. Isn't that great? This allows you to quickly dig into the data without writing formulas or setting up pivot tables. Use case 3, creating professional quality PDFs instantly. Creating business documents like invoices, quotations, or estimates is often a tedious process. Templates take time to find. Formatting in Word easily breaks. Dedicated software usually comes with a monthly subscription. Instead of bothering with them, we can build a dedicated document generator inside Canvas. Create a new gem in your gem manager called Document Generator. In the custom instructions, we will paste our special instruction. I have this instruction. You will find the link to this instruction in the video description. I will copy it. I will paste here. We also need to add a knowledge file. Download this file. Then upload here. This instruction defines the layout, typography, margins, and structure of a professional business document. Once again, make sure the Canvas tool is selected as a default in your gem settings. Then save. Open your newly created gem. Type a simple command such as, "Make an invoice for client X for website development services totaling $1,500. Canvas will instantly open on the right and render a beautifully styled, standardized invoice based on your instructions. Because Canvas handles the layout directly, the margins and spacing remain consistent. You can also change the text of the invoices from here. Isn't that really convenient? You can add or remove items as you wish. You can change all the text of the invoices from here. When you are happy with the file, click the Save button in Canvas to save the file directly as a standard PDF. It is ready to be sent to your client with no formatting issues. Use case 4, creating shareable web pages with one click. When you want to present an idea, a manual, a sponsor brief, or a project proposal, sharing a document can feel dry. Canvas allows you to convert any text brief into a clean, functional one-page website that you can interact with and edit in real time. Open a new chat window with Canvas enabled. Paste your project or sponsor brief into the prompt box and type. Turn this proposal into a clean, modern one-page website. Canvas will write the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the background, but what you see in the preview pane is the actual rendered, functional web page with styled sections and proper typography. If you want to make changes to the page, you do not have to edit the code manually. Instead, use the Select and Ask tool located in the Canvas toolbar. Click the tool and the preview screen will dim. Point your cursor at the exact element you want to modify and click it. A text box will appear. Type your change in plain English, like, change this button color to dark blue and make the font bolder. Canvas will rewrite just that specific portion of the code, and the live preview will update in seconds. You can also type global commands in the chat, such as swap the entire page to a dark mode theme, or add a fully functional contact form at the bottom. Once the page looks correct, open the Share menu at the top right of the Canvas interface. You have two options. You can get a shareable link, or you can copy the full code block. You can paste this code directly into any web host to put the page live on the open web in minutes. You can also download the HTML file. Use Case 5. Using Canvas to simulate your business's path toward a financial goal. If you are preparing for an operational milestone, standard spreadsheets make it difficult to quickly visualize how shifting small operational variables will affect your timeline. Using Canvas, you can build an interactive operational expense planner. With Canvas enabled, enter a prompt detailing your business's financial situation and your target growth milestone. For example, I want to save $30,000 for a new hire's first-year salary buffer in 6 months. Monthly revenue is $45,000. Fixed costs like rent, software, and payroll are $28,000 per month. Simulate when I'd reach $30,000 in reserve and show how my timeline changes if I adjust what I cut from variable spending like marketing or contractor costs. Canvas will build a visual cash flow simulation app. This features interactive sliders and adjustment knobs for your variable expenses. It's a genuinely visible simulation of your runway. By adjusting the spending bar, you can quickly compare exactly where and how much you'd need to cut to hit your goal in a given number of months. If you already track expenses in accounting software, you can bring that in too. So that's 5 ways to actually use Gemini Canvas as a business owner. These are not just cool demos, but things you can plug into your workflow this week. All the prompts and system instructions I used are linked in the description. Let me know in the comments which of these use cases you plan to try first. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.